DJI has come with a new product that is not only a drone, but also a small camera with a 3-axis stabilized gimbal called the DJI Osmo Pocket. The DJI Osmo Pocket is small, which will fit inside the pocket since it stands at just over 4 inches tall. The tiny camera that's arranged on the 3-axis gimbal comes with a 1/2.3-inch sensor and is able to capture 12 megapixel photos and record videos up to 4K resolution with 60 frames per second and a maximum bitrate of 100 Mbps. And also comes with a set of built-in dual microphones that feature noise-canceling algorithms to ensure clear audio. Battery specification: the tiny Osmo Pocket is also having an 875 mAh battery, which is able to provide with up to 2 hours of battery backup when recording 4K 30 FPS footage. DJI said that the Osmo Pocket can fully charge from empty to 100% in just 73 minutes through its USB Type-C port. Operating the DJI Osmo Pocket is very simple. The handle of the device having the record button and controller wheel, which lets users precisely control the gimbal's movement, and also a dedicated button to turn the camera to selfie mode. Despite its small size, the Osmo Pocket still have a 1-inch touchscreen display that will help users frame their shots more accurately. The screen also lets users toggle through settings and select various shooting modes. For users who want a bigger screen, they can attach their smartphones to the Osmo Pocket by using the included USB-C and Apple Lightning adapters, said by The Verge. Users will have to install DJI's latest app when attaching the Osmo Pocket to a phone. Coming of shooting modes: DJI's Active Track and Face Track are included in the Osmo Mobile. Active Track lets the camera identify subjects selected by the user, and the camera will make sure the selected subject is always in frame. And Face Track automatically recognizes the user's face in selfie mode and locks onto it to keep it in the frame. Other shooting modes also include time-lapse and motion-lapse, FPV mode and 180-degree panoramic. DJI Osmo Pocket price and availability: the DJI Osmo Pocket can book from today on the manufacturer's website, and its price is set at $349. It will available from December. Coming to accessories: some will launch with the Osmo Pocket, while others such as the battery case will arrive at the beginning of 2019.